In this video, we will take a look at the number 21 FATBOY tilting rotary furnace. It is a packaged unit. It is skid mounted with everything necessary to operate the unit. The furnace will be pre-assembled and tested as equipped. This unit is a simple solution and simple to operate. This unit has a 21 cubic foot capacity for molten material. The unit is heated by an up to 5 million BTU Hawk natural gas package burner system with temperature controls. There are NFPA safety devices. The cone is refractory lined to suit customer specifications according to the material to be melted. The refractory is 3000 degree compatible with molten contact. It is anchored in with stainless steel V-anchors welded to the drum. There is 1/4 inch ceramic fiber paper insulating the material between the refractory and the steel shell of the barrel. The barrel is mounted on a tilt frame with 3-point suspension. It has one tail shaft bearing. It has 2 carrier rolls with riding ring on the cone. A heavy-duty gearbox with motor provides rotation of the barrel through a sprocket chain variable speed drive from 1/2 to 6 RPMs. A 5 horsepower hydraulic power unit furnishes fluid to 2 cylinders to raise and lower or tilt the barrel to pour off molten metal and slag into a crucible or mold provided by the customer. It also is used to open and close the charging door that has the burner mounted on the door. A control panel is furnished pre-wired to operate all functions of the rotary furnace. The electrical requirements of the furnace is 480 volts 3-phase, a 30 amp main breaker, full voltage transformer and panel for 110 volt single phase. The natural gas requirement of this unit is 5 psi to 5000 SCFH. The total weight of this unit number 21 is approximately 30,000 pounds. In the video, you can see an aluminum scrapyard in the background and a charging conveyor charging one of our other units. You can see the ease with which the unit is charged. After a melting cycle, the barrel is tilted forward and the molten metal pours off into a crucible. The remaining draw stays in the furnace to be emptied later in the process. What could be easier? The unit comes with a hood. An afterburner can also be furnished at the customer's option. Again, this is a simple solution and simple to operate. Now that the process of emptying the molten metal out of the furnace, it is just as easy to empty the furnace from the dross and get ready for another melt cycle. At the customer's option, bag houses and dust collecting equipment can be designed and manufactured by MANSELL and Associates. Thank you for watching the video. We hope that it's been helpful. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask.